In this lecture, we will discuss about roles, responsibilities, and authorities. Let us now discuss about the third category, that is roles, responsibilities, and authorities. It has total 4 subcategories. We will discuss in detail how to implement each of these. First subcategory requires that organizational leadership is responsible and accountable for cybersecurity risk and provide the culture that is risk aware and continuously improving. To implement this, get your cybersecurity policy approved by your board or senior management, and also policies should be reviewed on annual basis for any improvement. Define and document roles and responsibility of senior leaders with respect to cyber security. This need to be documented in a cybersecurity policy or job description or any other document. Let us now discuss the second subcategory. It requires that roles, responsibilities and authorities with respect to cybersecurity risk management are established and enforced. Simplest way to implement this is to ensure that cybersecurity roles and responsibilities are included in the appointment letter, job description of all the relevant employees. Number 2, take sign-off acknowledgement from the employees that they understand their roles and that they will adhere to the same. Number 3, provide relevant training to the employees and keep records of their training. You may like to refer clause 27 of template 1 to understand different types of roles with respect to cyber security. You may like to use the same template and modify according to your organizational requirement. Now let us understand third subcategory. It says that adequate resources should be made available for cybersecurity risk strategy. To implement this, keep records of how resources are allocated in line with your risk tolerance and resource needs. So, fourth subcategory requires that cybersecurity is included in your human resources practices. Easiest way to implement this is to ensure background verification is done for all the new employees. Cybersecurity roles and responsibilities should be included in the appointment letter, job description, and again provide relevant training and awareness to the all employees and service providers. Develop and implement disciplinary actions for violation of cybersecurity requirement. Please refer clause 28 of our cybersecurity policy to understand disciplinary process. You may like to use the same template and modify according to your requirement. That's all for this lecture. In our next lecture, we will discuss about the next category, that is policy. If you like this video and want to have complete access to our CSF 2.0 course, please do check the link available at the description.